What's up, everybody? Today, talk about a challenge. Leaky's Bike It. The old goofy nerd Canadian challenged me to a 500 sub. So it's whoever gets the 500 subs first wins, right? And the one who does not reach 500 subs first has to do something embarrassing on video, obviously. What that is going to be is still to be determined. To be determined. There we go. Oh, downshift, dummy. As I checked it, currently we both sit at 425. We're like dead nuts even. And I believe he put it as ending August, the 1st of August. I believe that's what he said. So I need 75 subs, and I need to hold on to 75 subs because it has to be, you can't hit 500, then you always get the random unsubs, whatever you want to call them. You have to, you can't just hit it and win and then lose them. You have to keep them. So I need to be holding 500 subs by the 1st of August. And hopefully that's doable, because I would really like to give something embarrassing for Mr. Leaky to do. It's already been thrown out there for me to ride an assless chaps. Guess what? All chaps are assless. But I don't know, there's all kinds of things I could have him do. There's all kinds of things he could have me do. But see, we had a challenge last year, and it was an online challenge, and it was a voting challenge. It's basically you load up this video and then people vote. And it was on Surfing and the Nerds store site. Well, he's a cheater. I don't know if he cheated or not. All I know is he won by a landslide. I don't remember how many. At first there was only 2 of us in it. It was just me and him, and then some few other people got involved. I believe I finished 2nd place in that. I only ended up with like 50 votes maybe. And I think he had, I don't remember the exact number, but I'm gonna throw this one out there. 200 million. It was a lot. He did have a lot. So I don't want him to win this one. I want to win this one. And the rules are, we'll upload some videos, talk a little bit of trash, trying to get a little bit of subs, stuff like that. So if you're watching this video, please support your boy. Hit that like button, comment, share. Tell your friends, tell your family. Tell them to go vote for me, or not vote for me, sub to me. I really, really, really want to win this. So, thanks for subbing. Thanks for getting me some subs if you can. Y'all take it easy. Dream about me. And I will catch you on the flip side. Later.